Okay, guys, what's going on? I myself am tracking Hurricane Florence as it speeds towards the Carolinas. This is on my phone. Current track, it's going to hit Carolinas pretty good. Okay, right now we're looking at Thursday. This could change, it may not change. Friday. So you're looking lots of rain, lots of wind, lots of damage. From what I can tell on this thing. It's kind of funny though. Some of these hurricanes seem to not like the Carolinas too much. You see? And it spins right there. Look at that. Don't worry about the numbers. I'll figure out how to get rid of that. But anyway, look at this. Look at the rain, man. That is crazy. All the way up in Washington. Look at this. Look at this. That's Sunday. It's still there. It's, well, no longer a hurricane now. It's like a post-tropical. There's nothing to it. You know, it breaks down on Saturday or Sunday, but Saturday and Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. Okay, so what I'll say to the people, let's go back one day. I'm going to tell the people who live in these areas that I'm looking at right now. Remember, I'm on my phone, so it's kind of hard to show everything. However, all these places that I'm showing you better prepare themselves, because this is really going to come at you guys hard, and I pray that everyone stays safe, because this thing is looking kind of angry. That's something you don't want to mess with. And I know that, again, like I know the Carolinas, they generally get hurricanes. I remember watching I think it was the Angry Grandpa show when they had one coming, and AGP was going out to, I don't even know where it was, Costco or someplace, to get supplies for the hurricane. And I don't even know if they lost power. Like, I don't remember, but I do remember that AGP was waiting for his son, and he was getting impatient and stuff like that. So I just want you guys to be aware that there is one coming. This mofo is not backing down. It's going to come at you, and it's going to slam you hard. Now, will it be a Katrina? Will it be a Matthew? I don't know. It seems like it may. There's only so much information on the screen, and I don't really watch a lot of TV, so I'm just going off what I see. I just pray that for everyone's safety, and yeah. Just remember, right now, we're here. So, and she's right there. You'll see. It tracks further and further inland. I'll keep you guys updated myself on the track of this hurricane. Alright, comment, like, and or subscribe, and I'll talk to you later.